Hello, let's try to simplify another question from Surds. This is our question, and we can interpret this term x as a and the term after the positive sign, that is root x squared minus 1, as b. So I can write here a and I can write this term as b. And now at first I'm going to take the LCM, which is x plus x squared minus 1, which is in root, and x minus root x squared minus 1. So I've simply multiplied these two denominator, and now at first I'm going to write the numerator of my first expression before this positive sum, which is 1. So 1 times, and I'm going to multiply 1 with the term which is missing in this denominator compared to this denominator. So when we look at these two denominator, we can see that we have x plus root under x squared minus 1 present over here also, but the term what is missing is x minus root x squared minus 1. So this is our missing term, and we are going to multiply 1 with the missing term present, which is not present in this denominator. So 1 times root x minus root x squared minus 1, and I'm going to write this positive sign over here, and once again I'm going to write the numerator present in this expression after positive sign. So 1 times, and I'm going to multiply the denominator which is not present in this expression. So we have x minus root under x squared minus 1 present in this expression, but this expression is missing, which is x plus root x squared minus 1. So I'm going to multiply it with x plus root x squared minus 1. So 1 times x minus root under x squared minus 1. As we multiply any number, let's say 5 with 1, we get the same number, which is 5. 1 times 60 gives 60. So if we multiply any number with 1, we get the same number. So we get here x minus root under x squared minus 1. Positive sign remains the same, and once again 1 times x plus root under x squared minus 1 gives x plus root under x squared minus 1. Since I've multiplied this term with 1, the term remain unchanged, and for the denominator portion I'm going to write it as it is. Now when we look at this numerator portion, we can see there is negative root x squared minus 1 and positive root x squared minus 1. So we can simply cancel these two terms, and what is left here is x plus x. So this 2x sums up to give 2x. And here at first, before solving this question, I told you to suppose the term x as a and root under x squared minus 1 as b. Here is a, here is b. So we can interpret this denominator term as a plus b times a minus b. So we have the formula for a plus b, a minus b, which is a squared minus b squared. So instead of writing a plus b, a minus b, we can simply write it as a squared minus b squared. So our a here is x, so x squared, minus our b over here is root under x minus 1. So b squared means the square of root under x squared minus 1. So I'll write the numerator term, which is 2x, as it is, and for denominator portion we've got here x squared, and this root under x squared minus 1 and squared gets cancelled, so we simply have x squared minus 1 over here. So on further simplification we get x squared, negative times x squared gives negative x squared, negative times negative 1 gives positive 1. So these two terms get cancelled, and we have 2x divided by 1. So our answer is simply 2x. So I hope you got the concept, and and thanks for watching.